back again with another collab hosted by Heidi Sonboul, and she's doing a coastal theme DIY. I want you guys to make sure you go and subscribe to her channel and also check out her playlist as well. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start the DIY. We're just going to grab 3 strands of twine, long strands at that, and then we're going to tie it to a surface that's going to be able to hold it while we braid. Here I am showing you how to braid the actual twine together, just in case for those who are learning how to do it for the first time. I hope this gives you a good visual. For this project, you'll need about 3 to 4 strands of the braided twine. Since it's long strands, I have to break it up so that it doesn't get tangled. We're gonna go ahead and just hot glue it to our mirror. It's gonna be, you can use this as a wall decor or a placemat, whatever you would like. It's very versatile. And you'll just continue to hot glue it around the mirror in a circle pattern until you have it the desired width for your actual design. And now we're gonna go ahead and style it just to show you the various ways that you can decorate this piece. And here's our second DIY. We're gonna still use the twine and some of the techniques that we used in the previous design, and we're just gonna decorate this piece with that. You'll see as we progress with this DIY. I'm just taking apart our Dollar Tree mirror that I had on hand. All the pieces that you see in these DIYs are going to be from hand for a little while. I'm not going out due to the current events. And here's how you want your piece to look when it's all completed. You're going to go ahead and take the jute twine, take one strand by itself, a long strand if possible, and then what we're going to do is start to hot glue the first piece in place, just a little clipping of it, and then we're going to loop it over and under in between each of the mirror placements itself. So you'll see as I'm going through this. I know I didn't explain that very well, but you'll understand better as you continue to watch. And as you can see, we just continue this method until we have the entire frame covered. And here we are taking that braided rope that we did in the first DIY and we're going to apply it to this one. We're just going to place it along the outer layer of the frame itself after we've incorporated all of our wrapped twine over the mirror frame. Here I'm just showing you how we have the flyaways. We're gonna get rid of those by taking a lighter or maybe a match that's long, and we're just gonna go ahead and burn the ends to kind of get rid of those to make it a little bit more neater. And now we're gonna go ahead and hot glue and place all our pieces that came with the mirror. And there we have it, a nice wall decor for our bathroom. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. There were 2 easy DIYs that cost absolutely nothing. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you guys continue to be safe. Thank you.